ए मेरी डायरी अब भी मैं खेलूंगा, पहली डायरी मेरी थी। ये कौन किया? हाँ मेरे को किसी की आवाज आई।
क्या मानू कौन हरकतें कर रहा है? एक मिनट रुक।
मुझे पता है किसी कौन किया मेरे तो चैट में बताता हूँ। नहीं रहने से पता नहीं कौन। ए मामा ए
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Okay.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Ma'am, you are mute.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Now it's fine. Hello.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Good afternoon, Abdullah. Now I am audible, na?
यस
Yes.
मैम। आगे लगी। नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए वेट बना रही है। क्या?
Okay, let everyone join till that time. Revise the laws that we did for exponents.
Today, ma'am, we have the same topic or we are doing something new?
Same topic because we have not done it yet. Questions
मैंने
still,
कब बोला?
many types of questions are asked on the
Okay.
exponents. Huh? So we'll do all types of question. Okay, all in till that time. Can we revise? Anyone remembers first law? Multiplication law. What is the multiplication law? When two?
Ma'am, we have to add the exponent.
Yeah. So bases should be same. When the bases are same and the two exponents and two powers are multiplied, then the powers have to be added. A base remains same. Okay, like x raised to a into x raised to b. What is the answer? X raised to, instead of number, I am speaking x raised to a and x raised to b. So x raised to a into x raised to b, what will be the answer?
X raised to a plus b.
Ma'am.
A plus b. Yes, Muneeb?
Ma'am, my math portion is going to finish, ma'am.
Maths notebook is going to finish?
No, ma'am. Like in one notebook only we have different subjects, no? So my this portion is going to finish.
Okay. So just make another notebook because for maths you need a thick notebook. You cannot make any other notebook in maths, okay? Because maths you need to do a lot, right? Other
Okay, I will make.
you don't need to write so many things. So just write the points and all. But maths you need to do. So I would suggest you that take a new notebook for maths. That would be better, so that everything is together in one notebook.
Ma'am, in this class it will be fine, but I have to take next class in notebook.
What Muneeb?
In this class it will work, this notebook.
In this class it will work, na? Fine.
Yes.
Next class you can bring a new notebook. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us start with the laws. Anything raised to 0. What is the answer? And any number
One.
raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Except the base should not be what?
0.
Yes, base should not be 0. Any number except 0 raised to 0 is 1. Okay. Now, any number, suppose x raised to a divided by x raised to b. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, the powers have to get subtracted.
Correct. So powers are subtracted. So x raised to a minus x raised to b. Now, if I say x raised to a whole bracket raised to b, means power raised to power, then what we'll do? X raised to a brackets.
Multiply the powers.
Multiply the powers.
Correct. You will multiply the power. If you have a negative power, then what will you do? Suppose x raised to minus a.
Then ma'am, you put 1 upon x raised to a.
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal, ma'am.
You will do the reciprocal of base. So 1 upon x raised to a. Why, Sakleen, you are inverted?
Okay.
Okay, now we'll start with your class.
1, 2. How do I make sure in the hole? I can't see her only. Make a
Fine.
host.
Can you see the questions over here? These are all just revision questions, but asked in a different way.
No.
Muneeb, just mute yourself.
Ma'am, I'll make you the host. Wait.
Yes, you make me the host so that
Yeah.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I know that you people chat amongst yourself also. Huh? Okay. So this one is
Ma'am, it starts on 1, na? It's like 27, 28, 29, 30.
it starts from 27. Okay.
Why?
Because I have taken from somewhere from where I need from 27 to 36 questions. Understood? Before the earlier questions were very simple. That we
So
have
I should write 1 in the notebook. If you have to solve, we have to write 1, 2, 3, right?
Correct. For today's date, it is first question. Okay. Now determine what could replace question mark. This is our question. Just observe it. What is it? X raised to 10 ka power 2 is equal to x raised to 17 into x raised to question mark. You need to write it in the notebook, then you will understand. You can do orally also. Give me
Now,
the
what's
answer.
today's date?
Is it 12? Yes, it's 12.
12/08/20, right?
Yeah. Okay. Anybody has found the answer for the first part? Saklain, can you give me the answer? What will be the question mark over here? And how will you do this?
There's a dot in between, like.
Dot means multiplication. Okay. Dot means multiplication. So x raised to 17, if you write it in your notebook, you put a multiplication sign into x raised to question mark. Yeah, Saklain? Have you joined or not? Saklain, can you switch on your camera?
When the questions went away.
I'm bringing it. Went to the next slide. Yes. Who has solved it?
Not me.
Okay, I'll give you a hint how to solve it. First, solve this thing. What is x raised to 10 into the power 2? What is it?
1000.
X raised to 10 to the power 2. What is it?
1000.
No. We have
102,
x.
ma'am. 102.
How 102?
And x raised to
12.
1000.
Ma'am, sorry, 12.
Now you spoke the rules, na? Same rule you have to use. What is the answer?
X raised to 20.
Yes, x raised to 20 because powers are multiplied. Power raised to power is multiplied. So left hand side
Raised to 20, ma'am.
20. So here it is x raised to 17 into x raised to what you will put so that it makes x raised to 20.
3.
3, correct. So 17 because 17 plus 3 makes 20. When these numbers are multiplied, powers are added. And here which rule we have used? Power to the power, then power is
To multiply the power.
correct. So here x raised to 20 equal to sign is there. So here also you should get x raised to 20. X raised to 17 is already there. So plus 3 you want. So this should be x cube. Is it?
Ma'am,
Three.
over here
This will
3
be
to
as
the
well.
6. So,
Let me write it. So here what will you write? Here it will be x raised to 3 because 17 plus 3 is 20 and here also 10 into 2 is 20. So bases are same, so power should also be same. Same way, now can you find out what is the answer for example number 2? X raised to 12 whole power 3 and x raised to 29 x raised to question mark. So what is the
Ma'am,
answer?
7 will come. X raised to 7.
First you tell me 12 threes are?
Ma'am, 12 into 3, 36.
36.
Okay,
36.
And then 29 plus 7 is 36. So 36
Very
will come.
good. Very good, Munib. So this is 29 plus 7 is 36 and here 12 threes are 36. So it is x raised to 36. Here also you got x raised to 36. 29 plus 7. Okay. So the
And
answer
is
is
it compulsory to write
And
this
in
in notebook?
27, the answer is,
no. If you have understood, no need to write.
ma'am, the 27,
Ma'am,
the answer is 4. 4.
Answer is 4. Why?
Yes.
3 2
Ma'am, 3 to the 6 and 2 plus 4 is 6.
Correct. Very good. So now here it is. Now here question mark is there. So you will start from right hand side. Now tell me.
4, ma'am. 4 will come. 4 will come.
What
Because
is
5 plus
over
7,
here? What is the answer on right hand side? X raised to?
12.
Correct.
12.
And
So
third
3
answer will
into
be
4 is
then
12.
the third answer will be 1.
So 4 3s are 12. Okay.
Yes,
Give me,
sir.
give me the question number.
Ma'am,
Amina.
1.
28.
1, ma'am, will be
28
the
is
answer.
1.
how 1?
Ma'am,
If you're
5 plus 1 will be 6 and 3 2s is 6.
Yes. So 3 2s is 6 and 5 plus 1 is
Is 6.
so you get the same answer. Now here again 11 plus 5.
11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
16.
16. So here what will I write? X raised
Uh,
to 4 raised to
4
how many
12.
times?
into 4, ma'am.
Into
4
4.
4s are 16.
4 4s are 16. Here we are not adding power to the power.
Huh.
We are multiplying. Okay. Now here you will start from this side.
5 to the 10.
10.
And 3
10
plus
come.
7 is 10.
7.
3 plus
11.
7 is 10. 7 will
Yes. So here
2 10 are 20.
20.
4.
9. 12. 12. 12.
12.
here
4,
multiply
4. Ma'am, here 4 will come in
4.
question.
3 4s are 12.
3 4s are 12.
Mm.
Just observe which laws we are using, which side. Here again addition. So what is
26. And then here
26.
2 into
2 into what is 26?
13. Yes, 13.
13. 13.
2 into 13.
2 into 13. Only girls are answering. And Munib, rest what boys are doing? Huh?
34 is
Abdullah, where are you?
x into 2. Ma'am, here also we'll use first
20
we'll use
plus
25.
5.
25, ma'am. 25.
25. So here
2 into 15. 15.
we'll answer this.
No. Ma'am, 25 doesn't go in but
And
2.
what is 5 20s?
25 is not divisible by 2. So what will I write over here? 25 by 2. Power is
Ma'am, 25 is not divisible by 2. So what will we do?
So here you will write 25 by 2. You write x raised to 25 by 2 whole bracket.
Then we cancel it.
And
24
then
it comes
multiply 2 gets cancel out. Okay?
5.
10
1 by 2
point. Okay.
means
5.
square root.
5.
1 by 2 means square root. Okay?
Ma'am, 5.
Abdullah, Humaira, Ahmad.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what we have to do after this.
Okay, I'm just explaining you. Just let me ask.
Ma'am, I don't understand how
Ma'am.
you're supposed to find out of the.
Explain,
Nah,
Humaira,
okay.
Ahmad. Is there any problem?
I
Ma'am,
don't
it is
understand
uncomfortable,
how
ma'am.
you're
To switch
supposed
on
to
the video.
find
I'm on my
out.
mobile actually. I'm on the mobile actually, ma'am.
Acha, you are on mobile. What
Yeah,
happened to Saklain?
it's uncomfortable actually.
Saklain, Humaira, Ahmad. You can say yes. You can reply also so that it is clear that you are there in the class. Saklain.
Ma'am,
Okay, Ahmad, I saw you. Okay,
ma'am,
Humaira,
I
yes,
have not.
I haven't got any response from you. Okay, now I'm explaining again. See this question. What we did. Okay. Amina, you had a problem. Farhana, you didn't understand. Okay. So I'm explaining it once again. Just see. Here, what was my question? Let me erase it first so that the question is clear to you. Eraser. Okay. This was the question. Question is, now you already know x raised to 25 is on the right hand side. Okay? You cannot make 25 because 25 is not divisible by 2. Okay? So 25 is not a multiple of 2. So you cannot make it. So I have to make something. The power can be fraction also. Power can be decimal also. Okay? It's not necessary that your power is always a whole number. You can have a fraction power also.
Ma'am, but the power cannot be negative, right?
Power can be negative. You have solved negative power questions. Huh?
But now we
Power-
have to
power-
make it positive.
You have to make it positive by making it in the denominator.
Ma'am, how do we do reciprocal in this one?
Here we are not doing reciprocal. See, now what I did, because I want something so that my power should be 25. So what I will do, x raised to 25 by 2 if I write by 2, and if you multiply it with 2,
Then 2 will get done.
cancel out and you are left with x raised to 25. So that is why I took this question mark as 25 by 2. So that when we multiply, because outside power to the power, you have to multiply. That is your law. When power to the power is there, you have to multiply. So when you are multiplying the powers, 2 and denominator may 2, it will get cancelled out. You are left with x raised to 25 and your right hand side is also x raised to 25. So that is,
So, ma'am, you will write x raised to 25 on your, or you will write x raised to 25 by 2.
I'll write x raised to 25 by 2. Question mark ka value is 25 by 2. Okay. So that when I solve it with 2, I'll get x raised to 25 only. And here also x raised to 25. Equation means left hand side should always be equal to right hand side. Okay. Whenever equal to sign is there, both the sides should be equal. That is our condition. Is it clear,
Okay, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. ma'am.
Safia, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now the last one. How many different pairs of integers could replace the question marks below? Now here you have, what is the value given?
8. Ma'am, 2
8.
and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8.
12, 8.
So
And-
x is to 8. So here how many pair you can form? Because both
Ma'am, 4 and 2.
and
Ma'am,
2.
4 and 2.
4
4
and
and
1
2,
pair,
8 and 1.
8 and 1. Anything else?
4 and
4.
Same thing. 2
2
and
and
4
4.
or 4 and
Ma'am,
2
only
Ma'am,
2
those are
can
the
be
only two
made.
pairs.
8
Those are
and
the
1
only two pairs.
and 1 and 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
And those are the only pairs that can be made.
Those are the, yes. The factors you have to put of 8. 8 ka factors you will write. So 4, 2, 8, 1. So these are the factor pairs.
Ma'am.
you will put. Yes, Safia.
How do we come to know which pair is correct?
All 4 are correct because they have asked
You multiply them.
you multiply, your answer should be 8.
And ma'am, if it's a big number, then how do we do it?
You will have to find out the factors. That's all. 2 factors and you have to write the factor pair. Okay. Okay. Just read the next question. Mr. Morris gave the class a problem that was very similar to the question above, which is these questions. Okay. So the students were asked to find a number that could replace the question mark. The problem was x cube raised to 0 is equal to x raised to 5 into x raised to question mark. This was the question given.
1, because 0,
One.
anything raised to
One.
0 will be 1.
Okay.
1, ma'am.
1.
Let me read the question. Jennifer says that the question mark should be replaced by 0. John says that the question mark should be 1. Joseph says question mark should be -5. And Mary says the question is impossible to answer. Now, I want answer from everyone. Okay, Safia, what is your answer? Who is correct? Jennifer,
John.
Joseph, or Mary?
John.
Okay, Safia says John. Amina,
I'm John, because anything raised to 0 will be 1.
1.
anything raised to 0 is 1, but they have asked what is the value of question mark. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it will be 1, because 5 plus...
Yes.
It will be 0, ma'am. It will be 0.
Ma'am, actually Jennifer is right.
Jennifer is right. It will be 0.
Huh.
Because
Okay.
5 plus 0 will be
Again,
5. 5 plus 1 will be
let me
6.
Your other answers. Okay, Munib, what is your answer? Who is
I'm
correct?
still thinking, ma'am.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Farhana,
Same.
Ma'am, I think it is Jennifer.
Jennifer. Okay, Abdullah. Who do you think is correct? Jennifer, John, Joseph, or Mary? Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, I think it's Joseph.
Okay, Munib, Joseph. Okay, Muazzam.
Can I change my answer?
Joseph,
Yes.
ma'am.
Jennifer.
Okay. Okay, Muazzam, what is the answer? I couldn't hear.
Ma'am, Joseph.
Yes, ma'am. Joseph, ma'am.
Okay. Mudabbir.
Ma'am, Joseph.
Okay.
Mm,
Taqleen, Humaira. Humaira, what is your answer? Ahmad, give me your answer. At least you can give. At least you can give the answer, no? You are keeping your cameras off, but give me the answer.
I think it should be 1.
One means John.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Taqleen, are you back or not? Humaira, what do you think? Where are boys busy today?
No. I think it should be 0.
0 means you are saying Jennifer.
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 Okay. So all answers I have got. Ahmad and
Ma'am.
Abdullah. Ahmad has given. Abdullah and Saqleen, they have not given. And Humaira has not given. Yeah, Humaira. Okay. Okay, I'll just ask Muneeb. Muneeb, Muazzam and Mudabbir are correct.
Because ma'am, 5 into 5 will be 0 only. So
Five.
it,
No. Into, not into. 5 minus 5 is 0.
And ma'am,
Huh,
because 5
yes.
plus 0 will be 5, but the answer should be 1. That's why it is not Jennifer.
Answer should be 1. So what you said, x cube raised to 0 is 1. Left hand side is clear 1. So right hand side should also be 1. How can it be 1? X raised to 5, if you add minus 5 to it, you will get x raised to 0, which is 1. Okay, so Joseph is correct. Joseph says that the question mark should be minus 5. So your value of question mark is minus 5. Is it clear, Safia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because your power should be 0 to make it 1. How will you make it 1? 5 may, what will you
By
add
multiplying it,
with x raised to minus 5? So 5 minus 5 becomes 0. So x raised to 0, you'll get 1. So this will be your explanation. Now, is the following statement true? X raised to a raised to b equal to x raised to b raised to a. Are these both the quantities same? X raised to a and b power?
Yes, ma'am. It's same.
no. Ma'am,
Okay, yes and no, both reasons.
ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Okay, Amina, why it is
Ma'am,
same?
because the rule for that is to multiply the powers.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you multiply powers,
Yes,
in
ma'am, it is-
either way, it will be the
it is
same
right.
answer.
Yes.
Correct. So either you
Yes.
do A into B or B into A, you'll get the same answer. You
Ma'am.
make it 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Answer is same because which property we are using? This is commutative property of multiplication. Okay? Multiplication is commutative. Means if you multiply first number with the second number or second number with the first number, you will get the same answer. Same in addition also. Okay? So that is why you will get the same answer over here. Okay, this was the question yesterday. I think I gave this question for homework. 3 raised to minus 5. If you have not done, do it right now. 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125. 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. This I gave you as homework. Anybody has completed? If not, then solve it here and give me the answer. How will you solve it? Minus powers are there. You can make it 125 as power of 5 and then solve. As Saqleen come back to the class. See, those who are not replying, I'll assume that they are not attending the class. Okay? So that will be there in my record. Those, because if you are not able to hear, that means you are not there in the class. Saqleen, even Abdullah has not replied. Yes, Akleen, you're there? Anybody has found the answer?
लो मुझे दो।
ये को नीचे है, ये क्या करता है? This to 7, 6, 9,
Yeah, Humaira, any difficulty in solving? If you're not able to solve, you can ask so that I can solve it here. But at least anyone solve it and give me the answer, because the rules that you have to use have been done already. Multiplication, if bases are same, powers are added. That you have to use. Make 125 as 5 cube, 5 raised to 3 and 5 raised to minus 7. So when you divide, what will happen? 5 raised to minus 7 goes in the numerator to make 5 raised to plus 7. 5 raised to plus 7 and plus 3 becomes 5 raised to 10. See, this is my method. You can solve anyway. Whichever is easier for you, you can solve it in that way.
6 raised to 5.
I'm doing it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is this T? 25 into T, is it?
This question we are not doing. We have done already. This question we have done in the last class. This we are doing. Second question. 3 raised to minus 5. See now how I do this. 10 raised to minus 5. What I will do, I will break it into 5 into 2, because I already have 5 in it. And I'll put a bracket minus 5 outside. I will replace 125 as 5 cube.
3 to minus 5.
Denominator, you have 5 raised to minus 7. Again, 6 ko I will break it into 3 into 2, because 3 is there in the numerator also. So I'll make it 3 into 2 raised to minus 5. Now in the next step, separate the powers. So 3 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3. Yes, Akleen, where were you?
Ma'am,
What happened?
ma'am, internet connection.
Internet connection was not there. Okay.
I was not able to hear.
Okay, now it is fine. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we are doing this question that we did in the last class, 3 raised to minus 5.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the first step that you did, in that the denominator में 5 raised to its minus 7.
This is minus 7 only.
Acha, okay.
This is because
Sorry.
I'm writing with this,
Sorry.
this thing, pointer, so I'm not able to write it in a proper way. So what I will do, 3 together. So 3 is minus 5 and this minus 5 will go up and becomes plus 5. Okay? 3 and 3, when bases are same and when it is in division, what happens? You subtract. So my final answer will be 3 raised to minus 5 and a minus 5, it becomes a plus 5. So these 2, 3 is gone. Now I will take 5. So I'll put a multiplication sign. Don't forget to put a multiplication sign. 5 raised to minus 5 and what is it? Minus 3. Okay, this is minus 3. So minus 5 and minus 3. What is it? 5 and 3 is 8. So minus 8 Added, the powers are added. One more denominator is there. So I'll put a minus and 7 because, oh, denominator mein minus 7 is there, no? So minus 7. So it becomes a plus 7. Minus of minus 7 becomes a plus 7. And then into, what is left? 5 is gone, 3 is gone, 2 is left. So my answer will be 2 raised to minus 5
minus 5
plus 5, correct?
125.
Now you check,
Equals to
this step is clear or not?
5 is to 7 into 3 into
What did I do? I took 3 because I can use the exponent laws only when the bases are same. So my base is 3 and 3. So I took these two first. So 3 raised to minus 5 and 3 raised to, in the denominator, minus 5 is there. So when numerator and denominator is there, you have to put a subtraction of power. So minus 5 minus minus 5 becomes plus 5. Is it clear? Or other ways, if you are bringing minus this thing in the numerator, it becomes plus because reciprocal karne se power becomes plus. Okay? So, and if you multiply it, powers are added. So minus 5 plus 5. Is this clear how you got 3 raised to minus 5 plus 5? Clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yeah. In the second step,
Yeah.
you wrote 5 raised.
This one, na? Yeah, Sakleen, I think there is a serious problem with your internet. Because of rain, I think this connection is gone everywhere. Sakleen, can you write your question? Yeah, Sakleen, I didn't hear.
In the second,
I have to explain this. You want me to explain this, Sakleen? No. What I did. Any doubt is there till here because then last answer is required. Yeah. Anyone has doubt till here? Muazzam, Mudabbir, is it clear? The steps are clear? Yes.
Ma'am, after the second step, what you have to do?
After second step, you arrange these bases together. 3 and 3 same bases, you will use the law. So 3 and 3 when divided, the powers are subtracted. So use the law. Minus 5 minus minus 5 becomes plus 5. 5 raised to minus 5 minus minus 7. No, not minus 5. You have minus 3 also over here. So when the same bases are multiplied, powers are added. So when you add minus 5 and minus 3, it becomes minus 8. And minus 8 and then minus minus 7 is plus 7. Then this is, then 2 is left. Same process with 2. 2 raised to minus 5 and 2 raised to, this is minus 5 in the denominator. So in the numerator, it becomes plus 5. So answer will be 3 raised to 0. What is 3 raised to 0? 3 raised to 0 will be 1. And into 5 raised to minus 8 plus 7 is what? Minus 1. Integers you have to use.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the last step.
Explaining you. Let me come to the answer first. 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0. So your answer will be equal to 1 by 5. Okay? Answer is 1 by 5. Okay, now I'm doing it again. See what I did. Safia, which step you didn't understand? This one, huh?
The last one.
The last one. Okay. I'm beginning from here. The first step, what we did. See, because in the question, it is mixed question and how to solve it. So my first aim is change it into common bases. Now you can see 3 is one base, 5 is one base. So I can change 6 into 6 in the form of 3 and 2. How will I change 6 in the form of 3 and 2? it is a factor of 3, it is a multiple of 3 and 2. So I'll make it, instead of 6, I will write 3 into 2, and outside I will write minus 5. Okay, this is clear, this step.
Yes.
Then I can write 5 into 2, and outside I will write this power, minus 5. And 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, which is 5 cube. And this is 5 raised to minus 7. I cannot further break down this 5. So I will write 5 raised to minus 7. Okay? This is minus 7. So this is my first step. Now I will separate the powers. You know, this rule is there that when you put power outside the bracket, then both the numbers independently will have same power. So in the next step, I will just separate the power. Next step, 3 raised to minus 5, 5 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5, all with multiplication, 5 raised to, okay, sorry, this is 5 raised to plus 3. I just took it as minus 3. Okay, this is 5 raised to plus 3. So again, there will be error here. Now coming here, let me erase the answer. This is correct. 5 raised to plus 3 and minus 2. What will be the answer? Let me do this.
1.
Let me see. Okay. So 5 raised to, what will be my power over here? Minus 5 and plus 3. What will be the answer? Because when you are multiplying, powers are added. So minus 5 and plus 3. What will be the answer? Minus 2. Correct? Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So I've written minus 2 over here. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, but in the denominator, minus 7 is there. So when you have to use this rule, x raised to a upon x raised to b equal to x raised to a minus b. This rule I'm using. Okay. So my a is what? Minus 2 I have got. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Niche denominator mein 5 has got minus 7. So if I put a minus and then minus 7, so minus and minus becomes plus. So I have directly written it as plus. Okay? So minus 2 plus 7. Now what is left? 2 is left. 2 raised to minus 5 and 2 raised to minus 5. So 2 raised to minus 5 is in the denominator. When it goes in the numerator, means minus 5 minus of minus 5 becomes plus 5. Yeah.
But minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 1, right?
Where is 3 and 2?
No, minus 3 plus 2 equals to 1, right?
But where, no, minus 3, where is minus 3? This is plus 3. 5 cube now, when I was writing by mistake, I wrote it as minus. Okay? My pen was not moving, so I just wrote it minus. It is plus 3. Okay? So finally you got 3 raised to 0. What is 5 raised to minus 2 and plus 7? Minus 2 plus 7. What is the answer?
Minus 2 plus 7
is 5 raised to 5.
5.
2 plus 7, 5 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 0. Now all these things are 3 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 0 is 1. So my answer is 5 raised to 5. That is your answer. Okay? So even if you write answer as 5 raised to 5, you will be given correct, because in exponent you can write the answer in the form of exponent also. So still, if anybody has doubt, I can explain you once again. Anybody has doubt? Sakleen, is it clear now? Abdullah, is it fine? Ahmad, did you understand? Umaira? Okay, Ahmad.
Ma'am, minus 2 plus 7 into 2, na?
Into 2. So into 2 I have written now, into 2. But it is
here.
Ma'am, the answer that we got is 5 raised to 5. So that cannot be simplified, right?
You can simplify it if you have time.
But if we write 5 raised to 5 also, the answer
that is
will
also
be correct.
Sometimes they write in the question only that write the answer in the exponent form. So that is, then you don't need to multiply and give it in the simplified form. Okay. So this question is clear. So mostly these type of simplifications are asked, and you have to first check that how you will write in terms of same base. So for that you need to see the factors. Like I have seen it 125. I know it is 5 cube. Already 5 is there, so I'll change it into 5. 10 is also a multiple of 5, so I'll change it into 5 into 2. Here also you'll get to 2, 3 into 2. Then only you can, because the laws are applied only where the bases are same. So this you have to remember. So that is why in the first step I made it like this, so that we get the same bases all over the place. Yeah. Okay. Can we move to the next question then? I'll just erase it. Everyone has written the solution. Should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am. Three minus 5 into 2 minus 5, then 5 is 7.
You can do it on your own if you have understood. You will be able to do.
2
Okay.
minus 5. I can it minus 19.
So that is why I keep on telling you that remember all the rules. There are 4 or 5 rules only, but you need to see how to apply and where to apply. Okay. Okay, moving to the next one. Now this is the question. This type of question we did in the last class also. So you can see the bases are same. So how will I do? Just use the...
There is background noise. I cannot hear you.
Fine. Safia, mute. Yeah. Muted. Okay. Now it is fine, no?
Yes.
Okay. So how will we do this? We have done this question in the last class also. Just apply, just bases you have to equate, powers you have to equate, because bases are same and equal to sign is there. So what will be, how will I solve the left hand side? What will be my next step? Anyone can help me out?
Mom, you will multiply the powers.
Powers name. This is multiplication.
Ma'am, the value of
Ma'am will add k plus 1 plus 3.
Correct. So you will add the power, because when multiplication is there, powers are added. So I will add k plus 1 plus 3. What is k plus 1 plus 3? I'm just writing it directly. K plus 4. Okay? K plus 1 plus 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have written it directly. This k plus 4.
and then the value of k will be 3 maybe.
You have to solve it. Now you see bases are same, equal to sign is there. So what you will write? Equate
Value
the powers. So equating the powers, you get k plus 4. You will equate the power because equal to sign is there, na? So you will equate the power. So k plus 4 is equal to 7. So what is k key value?
3,
now?
ma'am.
3.
3. Is it clear? So find the value of k. So whenever you
No,
have
I didn't get it, ma'am.
first step, you understood first step?
Yes, after that I didn't understand.
See, equal to sign is there, na? What does equal to mean? Equal to means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So now you have, see, bases are same. That means power you have to equate. Bases are already same. So that means power should be same. Then only you have a equal sign. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will equate k plus 4 with 7. So k plus 4 equal to 7. So from here you can solve algebra. Plus
3.
here 4 will go here and becomes minus 3. This thing is clear to you? How do we
Yes.
solve linear
हाँ,
equation?
yes, yes.
You remember?
Ma'am,
So यहाँ पे एक step और you can write. If you are not able to understand, you can write k equal to 7. यहाँ पे plus 4 है. So other side of equal
Minus
to goes,
one.
it becomes minus 4. So my answer is k equal to 3.
ma'am, we need to find how much.
You didn't write the stemma, so I got a little confused.
Ha. So you can ask, this step, I missed one step. I thought this you will understand.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can even do like k plus 1. So the k is the odd number, and now we have to find how much plus 4 equals to 7. So the answer could be 3.
Huh.
Ma'am, we could also subtract if you want to see the answer.
Subtract from?
Like if you want to find the value of k, then we can subtract 3 and 4 and then that can be the answer.
Not subtract, add.
Add, na?
Add, sorry.
Huh. But this is the method you always have to remember, because wo wala method can be possible when you are using small numbers. Bigger numbers may you will have to use this method only. Okay? K equal to 3. Now, next question. Simplify the following. Now, can you simplify this? I'm not solving it. Give me the answer. You just have to use the rule. Brackets are there. So 1 by 4 raised to minus 3. It will become 4 raised to 3, reciprocal and positive power. Do it fast. Do it in your notebook. I'll do in my notebook. And then give me the answer. 4 cube minus. Whenever plus minus comes, you have to expand. The 4 cube, you will have to break it.
Ma'am, what is the rule for subtracting?
Subtracting, no rule is there. So there you have to expand. 4 cube ko you have to expand. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So 64 minus 27. You have to do like that. Okay? You will get the answer in fraction. Huh? See, 1 by 4 raised to minus 3. What is it? 4 raised to
4 raised to
4
minus
raised to
3.
3 minus 3
plus
raised to
3.
3.
4 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 3 divided by 4 raised to 2. Correct? So 4 raised to 3.
This will be 4 raised to minus 3, and then after that this
No,
will be
minus 3 will not be there because you have done reciprocal.
sorry,
So
4
power
raised to
plus.
3.
Yeah. So 4
4
raised
raised
to
to
3.
3, and then this will be minus 3 raised to
Not,
3.
not minus. Minus is here. Inside it will be 3 raised to 3. So 4 raised to 3. I'm just doing it here. 4 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 3. This step is clear to you all. Then I'll put a bracket divided by 4 raised to 2. This step is clear to you
It will
all.
be 1 raised to 3 divided by 4 raised to 2. No?
This is the
So,
second step.
ma'am, we have to do like this now.
You have to expand.
64 minus 27.
Correct. What is 64 minus 27? Yes, subtract, na?
64 minus 27, right?
Yes,
37.
37. So here you get 37 and here you get divided by, I'm writing in the denominator, you get 16. That is the answer because for the lowest form you
Yeah.
cannot be done.
Ma'am, do we actually have to divide 34 and 37
No.
and
No, this is the answer. They have not asked you to give in decimal. So because if you calculate it, you'll get it in decimal. Okay?
So, ma'am, do we have to make it in mixed fraction or we just leave it like
You
this?
can make it in mixed fraction.
Okay.
You can write the answer in the mixed fraction. Okay? Or till here also. If you write in mixed fraction, that is good. So can we do the second question, second part? 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, no, 2 by 3 raised to minus 6 into 3 by 2 raised to minus 4. Last question. Do it, Safia. 2 by 3, you will have to do the reciprocal again because you have to make it 6. So 3 by 2 raised to 6 into 2 by 3 raised to 4. How will you calculate it now? Now, then you will separate the powers. Numerator will have 6 power, denominator will have 6 power.
Ma'am, so we have to multiply it like that or we just write it k 2 to the
You will
power 4
cancel
and
it,
3
na?
to the
ma'am, we have to divide it, right? We have to divide 2.
Multiply is there. So what you will write, see, I'm writing this step. You will write 3 by 2, na? First step is 3 by 2 raised to what power I will put, Muni? 3 by 2 raised to what?
6.
3 by 2 raised to 6.
Into 2
2
by
by 3 raised
2
to
by
4.
3 raised to 4.
4.
Yes, 2 by 3 raised to 4. Now what is my next step? I will separate the power. This means numerator has 6 power and denominator has 6 power. So my next step
3
is
raised to 3 by 2 raised to 3.
3 raised to 6 and नीचे में 2 raised to 6 into
2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4.
and नीचे में into
3 raised to 4.
4. Now you can use the rules. These two 3's are there. So 3 raised to 6 minus 4. Numerator and denominator. Okay? This is commutative. Na? You can write 3 over here and solve. And 2 over here and solve. Okay? So 3 raised to 6 and 3 raised to 4. My answer will be 3 raised to 2. I'm writing it directly. 6 minus 4. And here multiplied by 2 raised to 4.
2 4.
4 minus 6, which is 2 raised to minus 2. So my answer is 3 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 whole raised to 2.
Ma'am, I did not understand after you can.
Okay, I skipped one step because space was not there. I'm just writing it again.
Ma'am, I did not understand after you did like 3 by 6 and 2 by 6 into 2 by 4 and 3
This
by
one.
4.
After
Yeah.
this, we have not understood. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
like why did you make it into division? Because you had to do the reciprocal because it was a minus power.
Just a moment. Yeah. What are you asking, Farhana? Why I made it in division?
Yeah, did you do it because the power was
Power
negative
was with the whole. Yeah. That is why I did the reciprocal.
and then you put 3 upon 2 up?
No, I did 3 by 2 like this only. See, 3 raised to 6 and 2 raised to 6. Because 3 by 2 whole ka power is 6.
No, ma'am, not that one.
Which
I'm
one?
asking the end last answer that you wrote.
Acha, answer. Okay, let me come to the answer. Then what I am doing, see, 3 and 3. Just pay attention over here. 3 and 3. So I can write it as 3 raised to 6 upon 3 raised to 4. I'm just replacing it. You know that I can
Ma'am, because the bases are same, that's why.
No, because it is multiplication. I can replace now 1 into 2 and 2 into 3. I can do it 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. So same way, I am just making, to make you understand, I am writing it like this so that you understand it. So 2 raised to 4 upon, so that I am doing it so that I can just use the law directly over here. Now when I use the law, this is 3 raised to 6. This step is clear or not?
Yes,
This step
ma'am.
is clear.
Ma'am, we can also make it as 3 raised to 6 matlab 3 raised to 6 divided by 2 raised to 6 multiplied by, like earlier how the step was, or it's compulsory to.
This way also. No need to write this step. I just wrote this step so that it is easier for you to understand.
We can,
You can
directly multiply like the before step also, right?
this step, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do this. 6 minus 4. What is 6 minus 4? Because bases are same here. So 6 minus 4 is 3 raised to 2. You know that in numerator, denominator, powers are subtracted. And here you will be having 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6. So my answer is, you are getting answer 3 raised to 2 into 2 raised to minus 2. Now, yes, Farhana, you were telling me. Now, why I made it? Because I don't want negative. Jaise ki, it doesn't look good, na, writing in answer negative power. So what I will do, I will put it in the denominator and I'll put a positive power. So 3 square upon 2 square. Now, both the powers are same. So I can make it again 3 by 2 the whole square. Is it clear, Farhana?
Football ki class.
But we could have written it as 3 to the power 2 into 1 upon 2 to the power
Huh?
2.
Huh? You can write like that also. But why to write 1 into 1 upon 2? Because it will come below the 3 only, na? 3 into square, whatever you multiply with 1 will be the same number. So you can write 3 square upon 2 square. Okay. So 3 by 2. This step is clear or not to everyone? So next class we'll be practicing more questions. So that is why I'm not giving you more assignments, because you are not completing the previous assignment only. So I'm not giving you. But please practice the questions, because these rules, fundamental laws of exponent are very important in simplification. You will be needing it in solving many questions, longer mathematical questions. Okay, fine.
Ma'am?
Clear? Yes.
I didn't
Yes,
understand that question in the exponents worksheet, I say.
Right. I'll just show you that question. That question, some printing mistake was there. Can you show that question, Abdullah? You cannot share, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, in that question, I'll just see whether I have that question or not. Exponent. Okay, I got this question. Just tell me which question you had doubt. Huh? You can see the question.
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number 7.
Question number 7. Yes. So find the missing number. This is actually 5 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to x. Okay. This block you have to fill. So what will you write? If you write 5 raised to minus 1, you will get the same answer. This we were doing. You understood what I'm telling you?
Yes.
5 is equal to 1 by 5 raised to x. So what will be x? X will be minus 1. So answer is minus 1 in this case. See, most of you have done this question wrongly. Many of you have not seen this
Ma'am,
box.
how do we
Ma'am,
get
I did it
Yes, ma'am,
minus
the box
1
is not
only.
clear.
I'm
Munir,
sending
Box is
you
not
have done-
clear.
right?
The
Ma'am,
box is not
ma'am, I
clear.
did it minus 1 only.
Yeah,
The
Munir, you have done. I think Muazzam Mudabbir, I saw you have not written that answer. So I understood that block is not visible to you. So that is why you could not write. That is actually 1 by 5 raised to x. So x key value means the block. So the block key value you have to fill. That block answer is minus 1. Okay, clear? Abdullah, any other question?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, fine. So just revise these laws of exponent. We'll do some more questions in the next class. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye.